Let me invite Mr. Dion Isaac, our Vice Chairman, to say a few words. Mr. Isaac.
Thank you very much, Public Relations Officer, Mr. Devines. Pleasant good evening. I should say good night to the members of the media, citizens of Tobago, PNM supporters. Let me also recognize our political leader and her husband, along with our executive members. And let me take this opportunity to express to the people of Tobago that democracy is definitely alive and well in Tobago. We in the People's National Movement have seen the result of today's election, and the people of Tobago have spoken. They have made their decision, they've made a clear choice, and in the spirit of good gamesmanship, we on the PNM side have accepted the decision and the choice of the people of Tobago. We also want to indicate that we will continue to do our work. We will do our introspection. We shall regroup. And I just want to indicate to the people of Tobago that the People's National Movement will learn its lesson from this election, and we will return. At this point in time, I just want to say that every single time we enter into a competition, there must be a winner and there must be a loser. But at the same time, we have to be prepared to learn the lessons that come out of it. And there's no doubt that we in the People's National Movement have learned some serious lessons this evening, and we are prepared to do what is necessary to return to a place where we can satisfy the needs, wants, and desires of the people of Tobago. I want to take this opportunity now to hand you over to our political leader, Mrs. Tracy Davidson Celestine.
Well, thank you very much, Vice Chairman of the Tobago Council of the PNM. And let me say a pleasant good evening to each and every one of you, members of the media, PNM members, supporters on the stage, and of course to our fellow Tobagonian out there. First and foremost, I want to use the opportunity to thank God and even the PNM membership for their support over the last 20 years or so. Of course, you know that we have been in governance in the Tobago House of Assembly and in the Tobago space for some time now. And we were attempting to do something that many other democratic countries couldn't have achieved, which is to try to ensure that we retain 5 consecutive terms in office. But of course, on the heels of the 21st anniversary of the People's National Movement continuing to govern this space called Tobago, there was an election and we did not make it. The people decided, of course, that they want change, and so they voted the other party. I take the opportunity tonight to congratulate rather, the PDP and their leadership for winning this election, and I wish them all the best in the upcoming term of office in the Tobago House of Assembly. But as for us on this side, of course, we are saddened by the loss tonight, but at the same time, it's an opportunity, as the Vice Chair would have indicated, for us to regroup and do our introspection, and of course, look at new ways in which we can appeal and appease the members of the public out there. I want to say that the People's National Movement is still strong and alive. We still have our candidates who will continue to work on behalf of the People's National Movement, as well as the organization called the People's National Movement. And of course, we will not stop until we are able to take control of the Tobago House of Assembly once again. And so we will do whatever we have to do from this end, that is the Tobago Council of the PNM, to ensure that we are able to represent the people of Tobago in whatever way that we can and in whatever opportunities have been created going forward. Our campaign, as far as I'm concerned, and most of us are concerned in the People's National Movement, was a well-executed one. We did offer to the people of Tobago exciting plans and more so new plans, and we were very well intent on revolutionizing Tobago and of course the Tobago House of Assembly. However, our people would prefer other options, and so they have voted for that side. But we are here, we are still very concerned, and we would still like to see Tobago developed in a particular way. And we, as I said, will play our part to ensure that Tobago is managed in the right way and of course governed in the right way. So again, I issue congratulations to those on the other side, Farley, Chavez Augustine, and of course the political leader of the PDP, Watson Duke, and of course their team. And again, I wish to thank all of the membership of the People's National Movement for their support over the last years and for their encouragement. And to you, the people of Tobago, I say we are still here and we will provide you with whatever representation that you will need coming from the platform of the People's National Movement. So I urge everyone, of course, you know, I used to be or was the health secretary. Of course, that will change in the not so distant future. I just want to use the opportunity to remind the Tobagonians to be safe out there. COVID is still very alive and present in our communities. And for me, it's about ensuring that Tobagonians take up the responsibility at this time to be vaccinated as much as possible. Because of course, we know that is the only hope for us as a people. So thanks to each and every one of you, members of the media, and of course, the PNM membership, and of course, all of Tobago for whatever support you would have given to us over the time that we have been in office managing the affairs on behalf of the people of Tobago. Thank you, and God richest blessings to each and every one of you.